Blenders are an essential kitchen appliance, especially if you like to make smoothies at home, but they often take up a lot of space on the counter or in cabinets. That's what makes personal blenders so convenient. Not only are they space-saving in the sense that they're more compact than full-size models, but they also minimize the number of containers you need in the kitchen, because you drink from the same cup you blend in. There are numerous options for cheap bullet blenders, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable bullet blenders from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Impeccable performance and quality construction earned the Ninja Fit the top spot in our review. The mid-range power of 700 watts hits the sweet spot of satisfying all your blending needs without going full-on pro. The Fit passed our blending test with flying colors from drinks to dips. We are particularly fond of the exceptional quality and design of the dual blending cups, alongside the matching leak-proof lids. As for what we weren't fond of, there wasn't much. The one improvement we would recommend is incorporating an on-off switch. The current design requires you to press down the jar to operate, making it impossible to multitask. Other than this minor detail, we recommend the Fit to anyone in the market for a bullet blender. Number 2. Magic Bullet Blender. Over the years, the Magic Bullet has built up a cult following and is one of the most recognizable bullet blenders on the market. After testing the Magic Bullet, we see what the hype is all about. It boasts a classic design, great performance, and an affordable price tag. The multiple blending cups are ideal for food prep, making this an excellent option for getting dinner ready when entertaining guests. The drawback is the low wattage motor. This design increased our blending time when attempting to reach the desired consistency. It does come at a cost, but it also comes with an array of additional accessories. We believe that the Magic Bullet is a solid buy that will stand up to repeated use. Number 3. NutriBullet RX N17 to 1001 Blender. The NutriBullet RX has a lot of tricks up its sleeve. This blender comes with a hardbound recipe book that features quizzes corresponding to color-coordinated recipes. While this is certainly a perk, the NutriRX doesn't need a fancy book to convince us of its worth. This bullet blender can produce hot or cold recipes, making it highly versatile. We loved how its high-power pulverized ingredients with minimal effort and created the creamiest smoothies of all the products we tested. While we always appreciate versatility, there's a learning curve for how to operate the hot and cold functions and how all the gigantic pieces fit together. However, once you get the hang of it, we think you'll dig the temperature functions as much as we do. Number 4. Sinkard Personal Blender. Don't be fooled by the compact size. The Cincred countertop blender packs a punch. During our blending test, it produced exceptionally fine coffee grounds and velvety smoothies. The max fill lines were easy to read, and the blender was even easier to operate. The portable, slim design takes up virtually no kitchen counter space. This design means you can leave it out, so it's more accessible for busy mornings. Our main complaints with the Sinkard are that it's not the most powerful option, and the blending cup capacity is minimal. However, if you want a compact option that whips up a mean beverage, you'll be pleased with what the Sinkard has to offer. Number 5. Oster BLSTPB-WBL My Blend 250 Watt Blender. We were pleasantly surprised by how well the Oster My Blend pureed hummus and blended frozen fruit for a personal-sized bullet blender. The portable cup is good for those on the go, while the capacity is ideal for a single serving. While the operation process is straightforward, getting the Oster to blend was another story. The blender turned on by pushing and turning the blending cup into the motor base, which was somewhat finicky. We often had to try multiple times to get the blender to work. The sporty design is also not the most attractive option. That being said, the Oster will serve those who want a personal-sized blender. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.